Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today I'm showing you our Chevy C10 383 automatic. Really nice truck. The paint on it is excellent. Definitely a show quality paint job on it. Not a lot of flaws. I don't see a lot of debris on it. Has aftermarket wheels. What size tire? 17-inch. 245/65s up front. Said very good job on the paint. They got racing seat belts in it. You can obviously take them out. Aftermarket seats, aftermarket console. I think that's one of them WeatherTech deals, but dash is good. That is a cover lay on the dash. Tilt wheels, digital gauges, heck of a stereo system. This is a 383 automatic with air. So really nice truck. Not a lot of flaws to show you on it. I try to point some out, but I haven't seen any. They did wood in the bed and then bed linered the sides. But I ain't saying there ain't a chip or two that I may miss, but I ain't hardly seeing anything. Like right there was a small, that might be dirt. So yeah, so very nice truck. Definitely, and the color just pops. As you can see the reflection in there, so good quality paint on it. So definitely one that'll get you noticed. The only thing they didn't do is they didn't take out the wing windows when they painted. This is all good. You can see there's no paint line there. They take you up in the back window, they must have took out, so they didn't take these off, which I don't know why you want, but a little paint on them. Otherwise, looks good as far as quality. The fit's good. You know, the hood's nice and straight. Grill, bumper's all good. Like I said, they took everything out except for the wing windows and then these pieces when they painted it. So they did a very nice job. Any questions? 605-695-7391.